Oh, you don't have yard there. Oh, you don't have yard there. You don't have yard. Oh, see Shanti. Shanti be a part of the Flemings. I'm zooming for you. Where there? Where you there? Yeah, man, Flemings are going, right? Yes, peeps, so we are here. It's a beautiful day. It's not too hot. It's overcast and the weather is nice. The weather is great. So you don't know, say, yeah, cooking I got go on in the day, yeah. You see me, I say? And people, this is the tree of life. I tell you, say, this is the tree of life. That tree, I say, yo, that tree is so cool, you know, you have all the swing song. Shanti, if you swing song, pop down with me, you know. But we are going to roll. Going to the house. Yeah, feel see, eh? Swing song. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. So you don't know. That a go on. Big boss, what you say, man? See, man, yeah, man, see. So Misty, peeps, I don't know Misty already. And the great Papita, look what the boy Papita. Is it? Yes, man. Papito. Say, mama, see. Come on, man. Yeah, man.
How am I about that? See big old pot of soup, I said, damn.
See the peeps. See the girl go. How are you, mango? Tigo. Yeah, me no know. Yo, wake up, boy. Where are the boy? Wake up, man. You asleep? I'm not afraid inside. Hey, my brother, what you eat mango still, so me no know. I feel think that still. What you say? What you want? One girl go? So one girl go here. I tell him not to. No, you know, this is one boy. Let me give back one next one. Yeah, peeps. You don't know. Let me get Papito. No, let me get Papito when I be big mango because your peeps see there. Yeah, man. Holy pa mango in the country and a piece. Papito, come. Come, Tony. See mango in your youth. Tony? I dog in guy.
Come, Shota. Come.
I can go on. Papito and in front of you. Watch out. Yeah. Shota, what go on? You good? Shota and Papito, yeah, you know. Yeah. You know, thing, okay. Yes, peeps, so we are going to get things together right now. We're going to get things together and start the pot. So, peeps, we're going to do some steam fish today and curry chicken. So, we have okra. That's your man.
No more some of them fish.
Yo, hold the camera, hold it from my side.
You know more some of them fish left
Nah,
here,
tell
bro.
the peeps.
Yeah,
Man, so skeleton and time there.
Oh.
I don't know one thing. We have with
No.
ginger.
Right.
Yeah, man.
A real chef in the youth.
Authentic.
You know say a real chef.
And you don't know.
See it there?
They even make no
old
sense.
scotch.
They make no sense to
God.
put the pot to do
You need to care that, bro. We
Yeah.
have that enough.
Yeah, you have enough?
That's good.
Yeah, sir, man.
We have that. We
You
don't left
don't
out
know
them.
peeps.
All that there.
Put some bell pepper.
All of them be there.
Oh, yeah, sir, man. Ginger. And you don't know you have to chop some
A
more
real
like
chef.
cereal.
All of them be there, man.
Oh, gosh. Yeah, man.
You know say you can't cook. I know
Oh, yes,
I know rate you. I know
You see
rate
that?
you for the cooking.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
too.
that's
Irish.
right. Yeah, that boy.
Irish.
Sure.
People.
Oh,
don't know, see
real old
that?
IRAT.
Yeah, man. Eye rat. No carrot in eye rat.
IRAT.
Yeah, man. You don't know, so you can't do it without it.
Yeah.
See it there?
Garlics.
I show them, my brother. Ital is vital. You know?
Oh,
yes,
natural.
Show them what I'm going to
Natural, natural.
Tell them, man,
natural.
Ital is vital, man.
Yeah, man, natural, man.
See there? Natural, man. We don't talk about
Natural.
no chemical thing, man. A real thing, them,
Think
man. See
straight.
there? And then big old wagga foreign carrot, a real
Them
carrot.
are juicy, bro. Full of
Real
juice.
ginger.
Over ginger,
Real
onion,
onion.
bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
Some of them there, man.
Yeah,
And also, you say a pea natural thing. Why if you do with it?
cucumber, you know.
Yeah.
Get some cucumber.
Yeah.
For me and the
Oh, yeah, talk
pressure and them something.
Stabilize the pressure there.
Yes, peeps.
Oh.
Why, peeps? I some grunt we get, you know. You know, say,
Yeah.
if we could have show out the boat, we show out the boat and get them fresher than this, but you don't know.
Yeah.
You have to work the way we have right, you know. So
Right,
me I
man.
say, a 5 pound of rice to send a piece because you have to get, everybody have to get, and
Everybody.
you have to get too. You see me I say, you don't know. 5 pound of rice
so
to
easy.
send. Yeah, man. And you don't know with vinegar.
Yeah.
That's your vinegar, man.
That real chef in there, bro.
Yes, man.
Yard man, chef.
Original. Time is limited right now, so we are going to work with the last coconut milk. Right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Time kind of limited right now.
How you come up late,
I
bro?
don't know, say.
I mean, look tired the day from morning.
I might fat, man. I
Yeah.
want to see the peeps. Original chiffon.
Sheep for
Back then, when I little boy, I go to school, your mother.
you
White
spread out
piece pan,
chiffon.
2 pieces of bread,
Oh.
man. And lay a tea, you know, man.
Gone.
Road, you gone, you know, man.
Gone.
I see it, you know.
Catch up.
Ketchup, man. We put some ketchup in it. Yeah. Man. I want to say peeps.
Natural.
And some mild same way.
Oh.
You don't know. I see the peeps. Yeah. The fall them already get down at the fall cook there, you know, so we just grab some mixed part to right and no, you see.
Weird.
But normally if fall is ready, you don't know what I do. You know the chefs already.
yeah,
If fall is ready. But for right now you don't know.
Yard cooking, brother.
Yeah.
Yard cooking.
Yes man. Yeah man. This one I use for the fish.
Yeah, man. Wrong,
This
man.
one I use for the fish.
The bigger one supposed to them, you know.
Yeah, the bigger one there too?
supposed to have some bread.
Some broad one?
Yeah.
Yeah man, the broad one of them better. Broad one of them better. You see me, I see? So peeps, you don't know, say yo, right now we are going to put things together and check in back and you don't know, and big up on yourself and you don't know it. Thanks for the continuous supporting the peeps, and if you are checking for the first time,
Big up.
don't leave, don't just click off of the video without subscribing.
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button and you don't know, like, share, comment, because you don't know a unity we saying to people. You don't know unity is strength. You know?
One, bro.
You see me, I say unity is strength and unity is one, because life is very short.
Oh.
So if you have any bad mind in there, clean up your heart.
Clean up
talk.
your heart.
You see me, I say,
Oh.
yeah man, so that we are working with. So right now, we're going to keep the ball rolling and we're going to just update, you know, the step of the way. See? So big up yourself, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And you don't know a Mama Sue thing, you know.
Oh.
Mama Sue, the day we do
Big
right.
up, big up, Mama Sue, big
So
up.
roll the ball for Mama Sue. Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing. This I wanna go wild. I'm versatile. Mama Sue style. You don't know. Yeah, peeps. So as I did tell them, I say, yo, some curry chicken I go on there, yeah. Some mixed parts. Go dog. Misty down here. Scale some fish.
Yes, please.
Original scaler. Papi, how you find me, boy? You think it's easy? Fish. So, I go find one little catchy here, so. Catchy pot a lie. Yeah, watch out, what I go on here. Hey. No.
Get off my toe.
Oh, I go on here, so, man. I mean, I want the pot they get to and go on the gully side there. I tell you what I think. Darren, I know you have to do filming, bro. See bees, yeah? Hi. Maya the bee. Where cameraman there, man? Yeah, man, you there. Come through. See cameraman there forward there. I'm going to turn you around, you know. Oh no, see there, you just hold it. Hold it from the side. Yeah, man. Ah.
See it there?
Yes, babe. So
Me stay with it.
You don't know. You never fall. Hey, push. Hey, sure.
Ashanti broke them bad bro.
Sure. If you ever go with piece of meat, I tell you, say you get die something like this. Chantel! Chantel! Oh, Chantel! Chantel!
Chantel.
You want a bigger knife now?
Leave the fish now, sir. I'm going to wait.
Come through there. Come through. Come show the king.
I can't go. Wait, let me see.
When you run for me speed, they don't make them see me speed.
She like man. Not left foot bro. But hey. You're right in there and 20 there in a mickle.
Don't judge me, please. I beg, oh. Do not judge me.
Yeah, man.
20. 20. 20. I only want to catch the fish.
That's all I'm interested in.
All them mistake.
Don't judge, please. I beg, oh.
Shoot her, back up in her. Hey.
Don't crucify me, please.
Yes, peeps, you don't know. Big up to all of Mama Soul. Loyal subscriber them, you know. You see me, I said, Mama Soul no day right you know, no peace, but you don't know we are seeing the shipping in here, you know.
Mama so still cut a bad soup ever, sir,
I
bro.
want to you, brother.
Yo,
Oh, gosh.
cook the soup at DB and have one for Sally.
Tell you.
Everybody have come here, they have money or not. Yeah.
Yeah, peeps, big up the whole of Senton. We there, you hear that?
Oh.
Yeah, man, big up the whole of your castle, you see it. The whole of Gravelly, you see it. The whole of Clement.
One shoot around this, bro.
Yeah,
That's 20 and shoot.
hey, Tony, I'm not sure this, you know? I make you know that.
You know about him, man.
Yes, sir? Pull it up now. It's so rough.
Nothing.
Fish are run. I know I gotta go and look more for this. Come, T. Go on, eh? Watch Tony go around on your fall. Yo, it was so easy. You look for mango on the man shirt, bro. Enough mango like you eat from man.
Yeah, man. Curry chicken here now, boy.
Well, there, Miss Willie. Ketchup on that one there, Miss Willie. Like you lift weights. Ketchup on that one there.
I wait, Shirley.
Huh?
That's how I become Margo.
Ketchup on that one there, Miss Willie.
Curry chicken now, boy.
You're cough now because you don't want to stay out of the rain. No, I run up and down too much, that's why.
Nothing now, yes, nothing now. That's
Yeah, what's my bro? I'm 20.
No.
Uh-uh.
Yes,
nothing
one
now,
big
yes, nothing now. That's right. Oh. Yeah, man, you go on, man. You go and roll over there. Go on. Nothing now. I want to try this on the floor. Yeah, your bag there.
I see anything.
You're no good.
No, no good. See it,
Yeah.
peeps. Nothing now, yes, nothing now, dash way. Trouble now.
Gaza.
Boardhouse and Plaza. Come on, Pastor boy. Oh, it's real. You get the season here. See it, my peeps.
Natural season.
Scallion, garlic, onion, pepper. It's a
thyme.
ginger and thyme.
Yeah.
Nothing now, yes, nothing now, dash way.
What is that, bro?
I don't move me now. Go no further.
No. You have to throw that.
Real country yard lifestyle. The place green.
Yes, son. Holy, let's build now, bro.
Not one not drop here, so boy.
I don't know if you run go grab it, you know.
Give me this.
Babes, me cook with only for garlic. I love the natural seasoning.
Same.
Only for garlic right now. We are going to steam so steam and steam here. So you can't use normally alone me cook better me use one full plate of garlic.
Yeah.
In a one pot, I don't know. So if you watch that video, you know fully advanced on the cooking. But I tell you, it's natural season are key. Anything, brother, you know say anything, any meat you put season to it like that. Once you season it up properly, you know, it'll come out good enough.
See, my granny steer, bro. Pea natural season. Mama, low season. Yeah.
Natural onion. We don't talk about no
Not
foreign
preserve.
preserve thing. No, man, natural. No, man. I don't know foreign big old wagga onion. No. Oh, better take a egg there, Tony. Jesus. I think that we go fry, you know, because Tony just clot you a while ago.
Chantel.
We have been like,
Take it from him, he just come out and come knock you a while ago.
give me that there.
What?
Hold on.
Somewhere, what do you want?
Take time with him, man. I explore.
You want more water in the trash here?
Eh? Hold on. No. Why?
Man, I explore. Take time with him. That one, you boof so look while. That egg the iron.
Oh, Shanti, where there?
In the inside.
Carry back out there, sir. Carry. More water. More water.
The plastic upon made back one change.
Okay, here.
Where water there? Alright. Everything wash already.
Yeah.
Good. Nice.
Everything plug up.
Yep.
Yeah, I hope you get the footage on right in the fire.
Yeah, that's a bomb, man.
Alright.
I got you, man.
More water, my friend.
Where am I water from?
Yeah, I'm not cameraman, but me I do the do.
Give me yours, that's See there? Alright, good.
Oh.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, man. Alright, give me them. Bring out the season them. For the fish them. Please, for the swimmers them. Why?
Worse.
Eh? Everything, yeah. Pepper there already. Just bring out the some more natural season there. Natural season.
Some more. You want scallion?
Yeah, man, honest.
Scallion, onion, and those.
Bring out the Maggi there. No, more. We need more. This is just to the chicken. Hold on, the better part there, I can't show. Before they run out, wake up.
Where's the key?
Don't my have it.
Ah.
The peeps, show them all.
Tony like in love with fish, bro.
Peeps, they put together with season of onion. You understand the scallion just thing there. Tony, I want you, brother.
Man, I explore, man. I can go and flick.
So that's the youth then.
You want to go to curry chicken?
Yeah.
What?
Listen me, so when we normally put in a chicken Chantel, we cut up onion, scallion and them something there. And then we go put the Maggi and mix it up with the cut.
Other way I'm there, bro. Other way I'm there.
Let me do too.
Other way I'm there. Other way I'm there. Talk to the people them. Talk to the people them. Other way
Yeah,
I'm there.
peeps, we are sure Chantel a thing, cause you know, it's fully advanced, but I feel like it's in I could get it. Oh Lord have mercy, my youth them.
Oh, not good, man. Not a glass.
No, can't go too hard for the pepper.
Yeah.
I love your pepper, you know?
I know you. You can't eat without it, bro. See man there?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Trouble. It's a trouble. Alright, garlic there, man. I love the garlic in the middle of the bus.
Yeah. Gone in the pot again.
Show
See
them what
that?
I want so far,
Yeah,
bro.
talk about it.
Shanti, give me something there. Give me the Maggie there.
Pot look colorful already and you not start it.
I'm not started, brother.
Ah,
Finger licking now, brother. Hey, peeps.
take out all fingernail.
You have to think there at your finger.
Yeah, let me see.
Peeps. You have to put on gloves and you bite off all your fingers. Yeah, man.
Glove
Chantel,
style.
you have any gloves? Huh? Yeah, give me 2 gloves there and save some for everybody else because we don't want nobody eat off them fingers. But we're done, so. Hold on. No, man. Hold on, wait, piece of ginger. Oh.
So whatever this all look like in can't wait to see something come over.
Yeah, we had a clear one. Give me clear one.
How many box are the clear gloves at?
No, my brother is ginger.
See it there?
Ginger is my must, bad bro. No, cut ginger, you press ginger. Thank you.
You're going to get stepped on.
20 busy all over the place, man.
Yeah, man, please.
Man, I explore.
Crush out the ginger and the ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't cut up ginger in a pot, peeps. You have to crush ginger.
Now go cook out.
To penetrate and
Yeah.
cook out in a pot. Yeah. Peeps, better pack curry, you know. Better pack curry, you know. I tell you, you know. When you go in a fingernail and you can't wash out to the brother.
Rub them in.
And we are cook season. A key you have to make season penetrate through meat. Oh gosh. A 4 pound mixed spices in there.
Yeah, they're there, bro.
Good.
Yeah, they're there.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, they're there. Welcome back to yard.
Man.
Welcome to yard, brother.
Tell you.
You know enough but it tough.
You don't know what it up. Peeps, I want to cook with salt.
Natural.
Me personally,
Yeah.
I don't cook with salt.
Tell them.
Kill yourself when you cook
Tell
with
them.
salt. Season alone contains so much salt.
Yeah.
You don't need no salt. Believe it or not, brother. You know, no salt, we don't want to this. No salt.
You taste it when you don't
You have any farm, any more type of seasoning there?
But aren't you going to use pumpkin in Mama there?
I don't know if you have pumpkin.
Akshanta. Yeah, man. Pumpkin in the man.
Give me the oil there.
Shanta, I'm
Give
turn
me some oil
green,
there,
bro.
come
Me nah do nothing, you know. I don't know nothing different with nothing there right now. You know want me touch nothing, brother.
Oh. Come on the side, man. Maybe touch. Are you good?
Good.
Come on the side, man. Touch it from here.
See it there?
Yeah.
I wanna reach nowhere yet.
All right.
You swim around them there?
Yes, man. So I will.
Yeah.
So I will. Chantel, you have any other pharmacies then? Alright, this. Alright, that will work.
Oh, we're full of that
Give me,
out here.
yeah, man, garlic. Give me some garlic powder, too. cut me for me, dad.
Oh, Jesus.
Some people use that cup noodle.
See it there, bro.
Love cook with garlic, peeps. Key.
They have jerk seasoning.
No.
A curry.
I tell you, say, you have to come out and say no because why you want me put jerk seasoning on my curry? Tell you if you come watch and see what I go on the way you go and bounce it. Me no want, I know curry jerk.
I'll curry this.
Curry this. You do your curry jerk. Me no know your curry jerk.
You know you're talking.
You never have the curry jerk there. That's true, curry jerk.
I first made that one. Honestly, to
Yeah, no, be real, brother. We gotta be real around here.
First made that one, bro.
Curry jerk, brother.
Curry jerk. I one thing, me see them make some menu these days, brother. Them put curry in everything.
One.
No joke. You smell that already, bro. And you know cook it. Smell that.
Eat the people. Joke thing, people.
Yeah.
Chat bomb.
Oh, God.
Taste it again, Nancy. Taste it again, Nancy.
Hey, hi.
No, what kind of hot?
Taste it again, Nancy. Taste it, taste it. Oh. Yeah, season up meat, you know, do that in season yet.
Brother, Chantel, give me some plate when we start share out. You know, we cook. You know, make no, I waste where you know, make no sense to cook it.
Maybe you know what them are called?
Buddy cook. Eh?
The man say plum them.
Oh, I plum and call them. You think I something like them, think I tomato, you know?
Why?
Yeah,
Yes,
man. I them see one.
Then call them ag plum, a
Hot
plum.
Yeah.
Plum, a plum.
I think a tomato, that's what it comes up. Yeah, me want for this small. I plum and call them. They're fat and nice.
I'm not too sexy.
At first, I told him if I want that one, for you know, you have all for fruits, favorite fruits. Yep. I'm one of them same one, man. But everything already in a season before time now these days. So I know plum time now, you know? Yeah, I them same one, man. I know plum time now.
Take one over and put it there and not me thing there. Yeah, peeps, see it here. See it here. Yeah, man.
We don't have chicken to come on, so baby chicken behind him.
I know for them did there. Brother want to catch them like mango steak and I eat them out.
Yeah, brother. Volley again there. Yeah, man. Alright, peeps, so.
Watch shoot that down there, bro. Like he can't wait for something to escape. Watch it, man.
Shoot that, nothing now, we has nothing now, that's right.
That door.
Wait, I know that.
Oh. Fish time, you know.
Swim round.
Swim around.
Me no know where you are eat still, but.
Swim around, no. You go to school, you went to the swim around.
Well, I mean, over the few years it changed.
Let's say modern time now. No fish.
Yeah, peeps.
Huh? And then juicy, man.
Yeah, man.
Let me try one.
Juicy. But me wonder how you get plum in that time of year. I don't plum time now, whenever.
One guy, a country come from St. Thomas.
Plum, mango, and guinea. Guinea always come after mango.
Up me.
Yeah, man, just bite it, man, bite it.
If you want to buy more.
I'm from 10 now.
Alright, listen, me get the right name. I know it's something you didn't call it. I need a little one of them nice, for a regular one, That one of them she over one of my cousins.
How dare you waste my skin?
Oh, you eat this skin too?
Hell yeah.
Then I eat supposed to eat, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, and T, you love your fruits, you know? I love your fruits.
Hell yeah. I don't know which fruits we're not trying.
Fruits, I want to take a kitchen, natural, man. I have kitchen out in a store. If I did all town a day, that's something. I want to call in a curry and I make you see fruits. Your fruits up at town, so I not want to see. Every kind of fruits. Hey, T. Hey, T.
I wash it already. Just eat it.
Let's bite it, bro. Right, bite it.
Bite it.
No, don't put everything in your mouth one time. Bite it. Bite it.
No, waste.
Bite into it.
Once I eat, man, go.
No, sir.
Man, not going to eat.
She go. Then I bite no man, brother.
No, why?
Ice cream mash up chasing on that, man. I'm some growing. I tell them, say, don't eat it, you know.
Children gonna be children.
You cannot go to bed and eat ice cream.
Yeah, man, I love it garlic, you know.
Yeah. See it, man.
To the pressure and thing. Start cooking a whole
You have to
heap
work
of-
with it, man.
Yeah. See, wait to Irish them, you guys.
See if the idea with them, bro.
Two Irish in there.
Some Irish.
Where?
The inside.
Shanti, let go Irish them, the friend.
The Irish.
Let go them there.
Well, this
Yo,
is
me
a ginger
always a post-
again.
Me always a post it for the status story, boy. This time you are see real.
Oh.
Make them sweet.
Real deal.
But them sweet, man. Them are sweet.
So I'm telling you, so
You
have
know
to
what
rub
you
up in
talk
them
about
mouth, you know. Yeah. And them all tough plum they used to. And they're all rough, yeah, and they used to smooth life.
I could have carrot then and see how much I carrot.
Then I will take them fry after.
Jesus
You can't
Christ,
carry.
Steve. What's up? My leg nearly shuba. Hey!
I'll shoot at them.
I want to see I don't know shoot that idea.
Now reach around that before you reach on this
You just
one.
want to hear the pop drop.
Oh!
What?
What am I say?
Cook what? What do you
is
say? Oh, yeah, man.
Budgie food. You understand? Budgie food, eating this. That food, that budgie food, brother. You see, Karen come here, I don't know what them, bro. I cook budgie feeding. Brother, I think I eat them food now. Come on, give me some cereal this morning, bro. I don't know why. Come on, bro, I can't eat them as that.
I did this right here, bro. I did? No, I did some 7th grade.
Natural.
Yes, man.
Go all the fire and feed me that joke. So go all the fire.
Maybe.
I'm asking my son go all the 5.
Oh,
You made that joke, man.
okay.
Yeah, no, bro. Dry full for that dry, you can give me, brother.
I want to pay, brother.
Yeah, so man.
Family, no? What, Chantel, I want to do, you have me paraton you have?
No, it's in there.
Oh,
Out the
okay.
next house, out the next house.
Big good morning.
You're shit easy.
Peeps, me, people peel the skin, but nah.
Yeah.
No, you wash off all of
Like,
this.
it's similar to bulgur.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You not wash. You not wash off, no peel off. We are going to peel off the real
But for some protein and fiber.
Can't peel off. We peel off. Some things is not.
Budgie food them at Tamika. You know budgie bird them? They have to give budgie.
Oh, you always alright.
All when him are dead. All when Kelsey are dead in taste, ain't right.
Of course, it's quiet.
Boy,
I
time.
don't know how he come out of the house.
Jesus, my
You
God.
can't
Yeah, man.
Time you
Full of flavor.
Bro,
No,
Jay.
man, don't go around them, right?
Full of flavor,
You
bro.
tomato too?
Oh, yeah, talk about bro.
You know, quiet picnic, enter them quiet and then around their friends, they have every mouth.
Then say, when I load this picking up at school.
You don't know this one.
When he talk. But then say not talk at all. In case. That's where you go. Oh. So when you drop it like a bomb. How long now you not see me? Not a good one, I'm not saying.
How far should we?
Oh, out of Castle also. Out of your drive past come out here. Also, where did you see people then?
Boy, Maria, gonna love this when we done because we put it together
Yeah.
and put it up on YouTube. Oh gosh. Alright, what we gonna do? You think you know?
Yeah. You cut off hot pepper in there already?
Yeah, me cut up one. Listen, me half a pepper me put in there now. We really want to put one, but me don't know.
No, you have to watch your kids then, bro.
No, them not get no fish.
Oh.
That's the way. Tamika, talk to me.
Come in, Misty.
Coconut milk?
Oh, Chantel, where you put there? But you can't work in this thing.
Put papa tea there, man.
Where you put there? Big
Yeah,
about.
you know the coconut milk I put in that right now.
What you need?
No?
What you need?
So you want it?
Real swim around. See that? Get it up close, I'm gonna see what I go on. Different type of cooking.
Jamaican. You know, good
And give me one. Give me the pumpkin thing there.
pumpkin.
The pumpkin. No. Give me pumpkin no. Me not knowing about looking at Chantel pantry there. Oh, yeah, me know. Chantel, you have a bigger pot there?
I know, big pot in there.
One bigger pot. Yeah, that work. One bigger pot there, Chantel.
What it?
Yeah.
For what?
One bigger pot.
You put your fish there, man. Get there. Eat them up.
You want?
Yeah, give me
Yeah,
one.
yeah. No, man, I want to be steamy.
You
No.
want steamy fish in it.
I don't know, I have steaming.
Oh, you're not in a bigger pot.
The one with curry, you know.
That may I say, you know. Alright.
But don't put color.
We're going to do a transfer then. Me want to steam in this one.
Yeah, so put this in here, so.
Alright, yes.
Put on your slippers.
Only good enough.
There's some switch over. Upon that. Yo. See a flavor already.
Chantel, we know maybe we can eat the curry chicken stir like that with bread. You know, we can eat it with bread, see, you know. You not smell it?
You know, steam so nice today, man.
You not smell it?
So me I say start.
No. Don't me I say you know you
You
wait.
like when my season I smell when you eat my food.
You like it raw. You have my one cook.
But the way it smell there on your body, can't you see it?
That's
Yeah, they can't see it in your belly right
It
now.
tastes better too. Tastes better. Natural. See that?
nothing better.
Yeah, talk about
Agree
it.
with you.
Nah, yeah, talk about it. Especially in a
Eat
jump
them, peeps.
off, I jump off a ship, people have a jump one time.
I want you.
Natural season. Wait till I taste the one I missed.
She know, man. She know, man. She know, man. She know, you know.
Taste that
But
one,
your
yeah.
auntie was running camera.
Me not part it.
Wait till I taste that one, yeah.
It look nice and colorful, yeah.
Yeah. Everything natural from the yard. Wait till I taste that one, yeah. That one head bomb. Auntie swatching here.
Oh, gosh, man.
In a training long time, man. A time for you put it to use now.
Swatching hard, man. See it there. Pea spice.
Yeah, peeps, I want to be in trouble.
Yeah.
Trouble. Here, come through. See the Chantel.
May I see it, man?
You should have your notebook and write down things.
Right away. Ingredients.
Ingredients.
Sure. Should I write ingredients?
Wash off me hand.
Should I write ingredients, bro?
Want to get back inside with the toys?
Alright, bro.
This thing, let me the camera.
Go put the toys inside.
Hmm. See the peeps. Oh, joke.
Alright. Wait, your Mary gets that one. Alright, guys. Joe.
Alright, peeps, so there you go. Get them pot put together the right way and you don't know, put them on the fire and keep an update with the process. You see it? Yeah, I throw a little water. In there. Little bit of water. Just like that. That's all you need. That's it. Come and see. A bunch of curry. You know, say you have it normal, you have a bunch of curry with Chantel. Let the youth them do
I'm
that.
fresh in how long me a cook. I never get soul running belly. And me try to run in belly. And in constipated.
Yeah man, tell it subscribe everybody.
Subscribe to your kitchen to get running belly.
No. Yeah. I like chicken. Yeah, peeps, see that? Wow. Curry fowl. Yeah, go drop them in that pot and nope. Well, I never want the curry, but it's kind of hard to cook with the thing, man. Yeah, pizza right now. We just have to put the chicken in the pot. Burn the curry first, as you can see. Like, put the chicken. Really now, I go fall, you know. No come here early. So what I was looking so good, but didn't set up the fire. So that's why we now shut the thing outside, you know, and do it fire. Am I pat like a good way? Come on, like a good way. What? I will ask him. Wala naman sila. Papi, it's good. The pizza we normally do, just kind of pre-fry the meat, and then we just add back the seasoning to it and cover up the pot with it. So right now the flames are not the best, you know, but the ice we can get it right, you know. So we just have to leave here and make it go on. See what I'm going to say, Misty. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful.
The coconut.
Not yet. I'm gonna put that in there too. Not yet. Beautiful. See that piece? Beautiful. Run. Put it in the water like. Not good. Not good right this so. Let's pack around.
Let's come on over too.
Yes.
Right there.
So big.
Just put this back on that. No, babe.
Which one? This?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. It's too good. Oh gosh. See? Nisi, this is gonna be the best. Put the camera for that. That's my brother daughter. This is gonna be the best curry chicken you ever eat in your life. Remember that. Remember I tell you that. Alright? Remember. Just remember.
Anybody flaxseed Russian?
Oh yes.
Yeah, you put
You have?
Just eat it, the seed.
You have?
Just eat it.
Yes.
You can learn to eat it because it gives you constipation.
You could just put it in anything you might eat. Liquid though, liquid.
But you not can eat it same way too?
What do you mean? Something to... Maybe you can't eat it like that.
You not try it.
What is wrong?
You try it with me.
Whoa! And Tony Fine Truck. Helicopter.
Shanti, give me a pot for my rice now, please. Some pot. Yum. Are you cooking? I have to be there. Aqui é eu isso.
Baby, you didn't need all that rice. Put a small pot right there.
You mean like that boy? Me not cook over like that. Big, yeah. You know what I mean? She a forward. She a front.
When the pot done cook, she won't come.
You know, Miss Claire? Besides, mix the onion here. Can't put down the yam and no shell across and it home.
That's Christ.
Oh, you know, put the salt in.
No, man, I forgot to take care.
You know, the salt.
You forgot that shit. You forgot. Hold on, no, man.
What?
Yes, sir. You have to dash the Shanti. Get this
Same
one.
way.
Get this one with you. Get this one with you. Where I forgot that shit. Yes.
I mean, no, no, go
It
try
was sweet. Talk the truth. Look by the camera and talk the truth.
Yeah, it is nice.
No, you got to speak with confidence. Look.
When it finishes, I will say but so far it's going good. When you see how them the fish, they're tough, so they could have touch. I will use Tamika, well, let me know, them a bend.
Them a bend, man. How much we have man in the house?
No, we know they're firm. No, normally you know in fish. You know when fish are touched, they then break up in here and melt away. So then when you just cook a rice fish, you know they need that cow, you can see in the shape.
Amen.
Rochelle, you want to eat sugar water?
Oh, you're making?
Show more sugar water, Tamika. Say, so you want to
No, so no, wait for my idea.
Tamika, say, when you make up a foreign, she not drink that.
Yeah, no, me no want my mate.
You don't taste me, make a taste me.
Yeah, because me want my dinner.
She said she don't know what that you make a foreign.
A sliver orange.
Sour orange.
Sour orange.
And that's why I'm not buying the juice, you know. Because this
Tamika, come find 2 packs.
Thank you. Thank
that's
you.
why I'm not buying the juice. Because I say you have to have lime or something about the place.
A tree up there, you know.
I'm burnt one.
Alright, you say the back stove here. Which one of that stove I can blaze a
That
fire?
one.
Which one? This one in the pan, you know?
No, that's the one.
You have a jar to put there?
That good Chandra, man, so rice, you know? That good, you know?
I'm not feeling that touching rice. I always ask for you not touching.
Yeah, look, I know good.
How much one rice did you say?
5. Good? Good?
Why your children not eat food?
They don't eat much. You sure?
That is enough.
You do say they not eat much food. That's what they not eat.
They're not eating no other food.
Yeah?
That's a lot to me. She just like a smile.
They're running. Why is that people get everything for them? They're not talking, they're true, they're not.
My God, look on the
Bring
real
it up.
Jamaican grater.
Bring the bucket, bring the bucket to the water.
The bucket with the water. She let them up.
Come on. Watch it.
Mommy, Tony sprayed with me. I'll be spraying with water on me. It was an accident.
Oh, okay.
One accident. And she's supposed, and I was supposed to be spraying it up because we was playing race. And we was playing race.
Come. As you think this is the rice, I shrivel them, no?
Let me go there.
What do you think?
No, man, that's just good.
That good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. Sorry.
When I hear them, so daddy want more. Yeah, we'll see.
You did go over the tank?
Yeah, man. Ada, what you doing?
Here.
So, Alia, you are spray the water upon it and I talk about it and accident.
What?
Try it. Try it. Alright. Good.
Just light it back.
Just set on the rice, you know. Just set on the rice, then we start it. So we are going to do the dust, I'm just going to update now again, you see it? Right through the process. Woi, woi, There's something out there, no level out there. Yes, peeps. Yeah, man, the ship dock, man. See it there? See whites here? Oh my gosh, the whites there. Peeps, look for the curry. All better pack it up. Mm-mm. Yeah, man, trouble with them, man. See it there? I see fish here. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Chantel, come over like a soup pot here, please. Yeah, we don't want the grounds for my pot. Don't make your soup pot grounds, because I'm going to boil out of this. See it there, my peeps? See it there? See it there. See it there. See it there. See it there, see it there. Turn off a stove here, my people. Yes, man. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash, man. See it there. See it there. Yeah, man. See it there, my people. Yes, man. No joke, no joke. No joke, no joke, no joke. We are Rasta, no poke, no poke. But there are they eat pork, my yellow folk. You know, eat lag. Yeah. No joke, no joke. Yes, peeps. See them, peeps. Man. Alright, peeps, so right now everything done. And I share, we are going to share. Show them what I'm going to stay. See it there? Alright. You say there, about 1 pound of rice. Give me food, man. Give me. Run food. Run food. You can't have more than this. So, really for rice, though. You can't have more than this, I tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Have a good thing. Creep off this one. Yeah. 3 grand. All right.
Where's the money? You just called me. I'll just say
If you curry, he curry it. Boy, you can't go name this with fork. Go give him spoon. See the peeps? I eat this. Take 2 pictures of it there, my friend. Don't see the thing there. This. Yeah, man. I'm going to put the shift it over. Take 2 pictures of it. Yeah, man. Alright, peeps, see it here now. First plate share out, you know. Go over to the general now. See it, my G.
Big up.
Trouble.
Big up. Look funny.
You ready for yours?
Wanna look funny? Look funny. You smell that?
Yeah.
Smell it, Kels. Smell the aroma.
But Kelsey, you say you don't eat curry chicken.
See curry chicken.
Joke, right joke.
Alright.
Brother, taste in a man, I make you go on.
No, I can't tell you yet.
Alright.
Check my head. No, man.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, man.
I eat.
I eat. People, remember, take a look on the plate, because we're going to circle him back later and see if him clot with this, We're going to see if him clot with this.
Not there.
Let's see, here's a forward up. Where you say, Chantel, you know what I done?
Yeah, rush down that pot.
I want to you, brother. Oh, yeah, sir, man. Okay.
I ain't no send a pepper, bro.
No, man, you're right, man. I'll go clot out. Couple more.
A tradition.
Oh, a tradition. Nothing wrong with that. Oh. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Misty, come on. I'm going to share out the next plate them. Peeps, I'm going to know where I go on. You don't know. Up. One thing. Peeps, you feel me, I know. You feel me, I know, people. See it there? Peeps, you remember, me just carry the plate, go get the one. Clot already, you know? Dog. Yes, man. But you could have ball from now till tomorrow, I don't think. Today going to be a lucky day. Wrong day. Tony, come out of rain. Alia, you come out of rain too. Rain are falling up, peeps. Come on, rain a joke. Tony, come out of rain and allow it dog, no, man.
Watch it, rain. Watch it, rain.
Watch it, rain. Yeah, peeps, so. You don't know, big up on yourself, more life, health and strength. You don't know, so don't leave without hit that subscribe button. Mama Sue thing, Mama Sue not there today, but we sail the ship, you know? We sail the ship and dock it. So you don't know if you're scrolling through YouTube and you see the video, don't leave without hitting that notification bell. Also hit the subscribe first. Like, share, comment. Yeah, man. Respect. You see me answer? Girl. You still there?
Yes, peeps.
You still there? I go do the damage right now.
In private, okay? In private.
No, Papito, you're a food in this, you know? You're a food there in this, so film food. Yes. No, you don't get no fish.
I want to brawl into that.
Yeah. Yes, peeps, today was a beautiful day. Today was a very lovely day to unite with family and loved ones. May I tell you, say it's just beautiful. Peeps, don't wait till a loved one dead and gone before you unite. May I tell you, say we cook, we eat, we talk, we laugh, we have fun, and it was wonderful. It was beautiful. We're heading back down now to the north coast out of the country. You see, but it's beautiful, man. It was lovely. May I tell you, no. They wash off the car a little bit. But yes, people, may I tell you, say I'm leaving sad. I'm leaving sad. May I tell you the truth. Yeah, but until them time there again, you don't know. Love and respect. So, peeps, if you're checking in for the first time, this is our type of energy and our type of vibes. It's all about unity and love, and we just cook and we enjoy life and we just give thanks and praise and just live in peace, love and unity and gather as family, you know. So yeah, man, just jump on to the family, man. Just subscribe, man, and just follow the family, you know. Yeah, man, it's all about unity, man. And share the unity and share the strength, you know. And share the love same way. Yeah, man, share the love same way, man. You don't know. So just, you don't know, like up the video, subscribe and comment and share, you know. And you don't know, make sure you hit that notification bell when you subscribe so you get notified when we drop new videos. You see me I say?